Hi there. Welcome to January 2021, where I've been lucky to not have a lot of snow. Not saying there isn't any around, but been blessed with warmer weather to start off this new year, and hopefully COVID will become a thing of the past. Fingers crossed. 81 days ago, I made a video on cleaning the headlights on my 2003 Chevy Cavalier. I'm started off with this side, 81 days later, where I used a Meguiar's rubbing compound to help clean off the lens. And as you can see, it's actually holding out quite nicely. There's been no cleaning done other than car washes, the occasional wipe off with a paper towel to get rid of some of the road spray, but I've not reapplied the compound. And unfortunately the lighting's not all that good, but you can see it's still pretty clear. See just a little bit of dust, but not too bad. It's actually held out quite nicely. There's still a little bit of a rough look to the plastic, but that looks like it's on inside the lens, so I don't know. I could probably go as far as doing a full compound rub on it and try and get that UV protective film, but I've also been parking out of the sunlight, so I'm not facing in, I'm facing towards the shade as much as possible, and I do think that that's also helping out this side. The other side is a completely different story. Again, sorry about the lighting. I've got a bit of an overcast day and the sun's behind me, so this looks a little darker than it should, but as you may or may not be able to tell, the WD-40 side did not hold up. It's still like really dusty. I knew it wouldn't. I knew that the penetrating oil didn't have any kind of a scrub factor to it, not abrasive enough to help clear up the lens, and all it did is just the oil got into the cracks and the dull part and just shined it up for a while, and eventually it washed off. But I had already predicted this, so yeah. This side will definitely get a touch of the rubbing compound. We'll try and do both sides again, but probably not today. I don't really need headlights per se, or in optimal working condition, just around town traffic. If they're bright enough to be seen by other drivers, they shine enough on the roads so that I can see where I'm going without going into a ditch, keeps the white lines nice and clear, the yellow lines, so no oncoming traffic gets a rude surprise from me. Nevertheless, I said I would 3 months later, 81 days, pretty close to 3 months. So, thanks for coming back and checking this out. Until next time, take care.